everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my future video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this kind of neat slit point stitching, and also I'll be showing you how to attach these piping, invisible piping. You can attach the piping in either way, and I'll show you how to make this piping also, and I'll be showing you how to attach this piping to your slit. So this piping would look like a piping at the front side, that is the pretty side of the fabric, and when you turn to the wrong side it's going to turn like a lace kind. So let me show you how to make this. So just place the cord inside the straight cut of fabric, and you're going to double fold it. That is, just fold the cord once, and you're going to fold the rest of the fabric in double like this, and make sure that it overlap on the cord fabric, that it's going to overlap on the exact margin of the cord, and you're going to sew at the exact margin of the cord. Okay, make sure that you sew the folded point of the fabric along with the margin of your cord. And you can see that the fold would be a little bit tricky, but it would be really easy when you try. Just fold it like that, and you're going to double fold the rest of the fabric and overlap next to the cord, and you're going to put a stitch. Make sure that if you want to make these kind of piping, if you want a really neat and good finish, you have to use the zipper foot for this project. Okay, for sure all the machine come with the zipper foot. You have to ask for the dealer or what kind of brand you buy. Make sure that you ask for the zipper foot, both the right and the left foot. Okay, so once it's done, I'm going to sew the slit point. So from the top you're going to sew the slit point till you get into that point, that is till the slit area. Just give some back stitch, and now I'm going to fold that in. So this is the wrong side of the fabric, both front and the back piece joined together, and I'm going to double fold the fabric from the down part, and you're facing the wrong side of the fabric. So you're going to sew that marginally like such, and you're going to sew starting from the down point to the up till the slit point. Okay, so little by little you're going to sew at a time. Do not sew at a stretch. Okay, for sure it will come perfect at the down part. Till when you reach the top end, it's not going to come really neat. So fold little by little. So when you get into the point, make sure you sew it like a square neckline. Put the needle in exactly about the point where you're going to give a turn. Just put the needle in, turn the fabric quick like such, and fold the neck side of the fabric like this, and you're going to cross the fabric. That's, you're going to come from the front piece of your kurta to the back piece of your kurta, and again you're going to drop the needle and turn the fabric. So make sure whenever you flip the fabric, you put the needle in, and then you're going to flip the fabric so that you stay on the exact place like such, and you're going to come all the way down. This is a very important point when you sew a slit. Okay, so when you sew like this, for sure you will get a exact and very neat, a professional way of sewing the slit. So now little by little I'm going to sew it like this. So once it's been stitched together, and you can see how neat it is, it just came out really neat. This is going to be the back side, and now let me show you how to attach this cord. So this is how it's going to look with the piping. You can attach in either way. It doesn't have any kind of rule that you have to attach in this type or that type. So the only thing you have to keep in mind, that make sure that the cord side of the piping should face the slit point, match the slit point and the piping. When you see to the wrong side, you can see like a lace like such. And now I have attached my zipper foot, and just placing the pipe lace like this, and I'm going to sew on top of this. This is a straight cut piece of fabric attached with the cord, and make sure that you sew on the exact margin of the cord, and that's way it's just going to look really neat. very simple, very neat. It just looks really professional. Even a plain fabric can turn into a very neat professional outfit when you attach a contrasting color lace like this. So you can attach with a maroon, you can go ahead with a black or a gold color piping like this. So for sure it's just going to look really beautiful. Okay, so like this I'm going to sew it, and when I get into the end point, you're going to cut the piping. Okay, and I'm going to continue on the next side also. Just place the piping underneath to the next side of the fabric, and you're going to start by sewing from the point. Okay, so top from the slit point, you're going to sew all the way down. So both the sides is going to look real neat. One that's on the front side and also on the back side. So both the sides is going to look really neat, and even beginners can try this. Very simple and easy way to pipe your slit. Okay, so little by little I'm going to sew all the way down to finish off my slit point. So once you, after sewing to the exact margin of the piping, you're going to sew on the outer part of the piping by changing the foot. Make sure you add your presser foot. So now I'm using my presser foot to sew the outer part of the piping. So in this way the piping would be secured with the fabric, and I'm just adding a contrasting color thread in the when I show the wrong side of the fabric, you can see the stitch line, so that the front side you might be won't be seeing the stitch line. Okay, so when you're sewing, make sure that the bobbin case has a exact color of your piping, which is very important. Okay, this is the end result. You can see how beautiful slit it is. So it just came out really beautiful, and you can see this is how it's going to look. Very simple, very neat. Okay, this is the wrong side of the fabric. You can see this is the wrong side, and can you see the stitch line, both the stitch line? Okay, so when you're making this, make sure that you add the bobbin case with the same color of your piping, and that's it. Very simple and very easy to make. You can just add any color, contrasting color, to a plain fabric. For sure you will get the same result. You have to sew very slowly and very neatly to get a perfect fit like this. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video and if you want more informative videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.